So today we're getting ready to go to Gangneung, as the sea here in South Korea, and then we will go up to Jumunjim. It's all along the coast, east coast of South Korea. Morning breakfast over here. I'm boiling some bread, yeah, definitely, and I'm burning the egg. So I'm gonna bring some stuff like the stabilizer, drone. So you see, this is we packed some stuff here. I have some more stuff over there. And I have my backpack here. And the egg is burning. This is my handheld stabilizer. I packed it a little bit, like a drone here. Some charger. 50mm lens, yeah, some stuff, so SD card, 4 filter, controller of the DJI Spark. Yeah, that's it. Did you finish?
Yes.
Good. What are you doing?
나 예쁜 씬 만들었어.
예쁜 씬 만들었다고? Perfect. You see this creamy rainbow. So this is a Sungpo Supji. It's a park not far from Gangneung. So we are in a swamp, as I forgot the name.
숨포 습지 아니었어?
Huh?
숨포 습지 아니야?
Sungpo Supji. So the name is Sungpo Supji. Is some spider eating me? Alive?
You're alive. 없어.
I'm not scared about spider. I'm not afraid about spider. I was just
그래?
joking.
그래, 아닌 것 같은데.
What do you think about this?
I'm cold.
We didn't finish. We have to go up to the hill. Up there. Can you go there?
아니,
You have to go there.
작아.
Huh?
작아.
I will go there. After I will go behind there. I made it. Okay, a nice place here with some trash along the street. Beautiful smell. Oh my god! And what we do now? What do you suggest? My wife. What do you suggest to do? Tell me. We are gonna die like this. I can feel it. We are gonna die. I don't want to die. We made it.